Hello everyone. I have been constantly focusing on system Verilog. कुछ इसके सब parts हैं जो I have divided in this sub parts into like system Verilog into three things. One is of OOPS concept, and secondly is of randomization, and third is IPC. Moving talking about to this randomization, we know this thing randomization itself, we are just randomizing the value. So like what all variables will be using here, like there is one variable which is rand, and the second variable which is rand c, and there are certain things certain more variables which we use like dollar u random and dollar u random, and then one is like dollar u random range. So this is this, and moving on to this further, like we do have inbuilt property, not a property, like we just have a configuration of constraints, and we have constraint in like weighted constraint, and distribution, and implication. So this is all about this randomization. So like I'll be focusing on these all parameters during my upcoming sessions, and talking about to this IPC. So we have events and triggering of events, and we have mailbox property. Like mailbox is it's a feature in which like two different classes can have a communication, one-on-one communication, and there is a concept of semaphore. We shall talk about this semaphore later on, and these are the major topics which we'll be covering in my lectures. Now moving on to this OOPS concept. So OOPS concept is somewhat of C++ groundings only. So we'll be just using like system Verilog use that same concept but in a different manner. So like we have class construction, we have class construction, and we have function creation. We have function creation, and we have this pass by value. We have this pass by value, pass by reference, and pass by constant. And moving on to this, we'll learn about like how we can create array using functions, and like how we can making of constructor, and along with this thing we'll learn like how this operator is used, this operator, and then moving on to the further of shallow copy and deep copy. So these are all basically different parameters, but I have included in this one only. Like shallow copy uses like handles, and deep copy uses handles as well as each and every property. Like then and extending of classes, like parent class is being extended, base class parent class will extend in the child class, so on. And this is one most major concept, that is polymorphism. Using of super and this virtual keyword. So I hope this is clear right now. Extending class and this polymorphism, super and this like virtual keyword. So this is the all whole key concepts in which like we'll be learning everything about this thing. So like I in the previous videos I have already discussed about like how we have created class, and how I have created class in class. Now like in upcoming lecture, so I'll be discussing about function creation, pass by value, pass by reference constant, and so on. This is my whole mapping of the upcoming video lecture. So I'll be covering each and everything. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.